Keys get lost, fingerprints don't always scan, and traditional locks just don't cut it anymore. The eufy FamiLock S3 Max promises a smarter, more secure way to control access to your home. With palm vein recognition, it offers fast and reliable unlocking without the usual hassles. Plus, it's built with advanced security features to give you peace of mind. We got our hands on it to explore its capabilities and see if it truly enhances home security and convenience. Let's dive in. Straight out of the box, the FamiLock S3 Max looks sleek and modern. It's got that premium feel, and unlike some bulky smart locks, it won't look out of place on your door. eufy has designed it with durability in mind too. It's BHMA1 certified, meaning it's built to withstand tampering, harsh weather, and years of use. So if security is a top priority, this lock is already off to a strong start. Despite packing in a 2K camera, motion sensors, and smart unlocking technology, it doesn't look overwhelming or out of place. It's functional without being over the top, which is exactly what you want in a smart lock. Let's talk about the feature that really sets this lock apart: palm vein recognition. If you've ever struggled with fingerprint sensors that don't work when your hands are wet or dirty, you'll appreciate this upgrade. Instead of scanning your fingerprint, this technology reads the veins beneath your skin using infrared light. It's faster, more secure, and more reliable than fingerprints or PIN codes. It's also incredibly fast, unlocking in just 0.1 seconds. Plus, since vein patterns don't change with age, it's great for both kids and elderly family members who often struggle with fingerprint scanners. If you're looking for a smart lock that's reliable in all conditions, this feature alone might make it worth considering. Another big advantage is that surface conditions don't matter. Wet hands, minor cuts, or dirt won't affect recognition because the veins are scanned beneath the skin. That makes it one of the most reliable biometric unlocking methods available today. The FamiLock S3 Max isn't just a lock, it's also a video doorbell and security camera rolled into one. The built-in 5-megapixel lens with a 2K resolution camera provides clear, detailed footage, making it easy to see who's at your door. What's even better is the wide field of view. With a 150-degree horizontal and 180-degree diagonal angle, it captures everything from tall visitors to packages left at your doorstep. No more guessing if a delivery has arrived. It's all in clear view. Nighttime performance is solid too, thanks to 4 night vision lights and HDR technology. Even in total darkness, faces and details remain visible. Plus, with anti-distortion technology, you don't get the stretched or warped images that some wide-angle cameras produce. It's a well-thought-out feature that makes this lock more than just a way to secure your door. It's a full-on security upgrade. One of the biggest headaches with smart locks is battery life. But eufy has tackled this issue with pioneering Power Duo technology. The 15,000 mAh rechargeable lithium battery lasts 3 times longer than standard smart lock batteries, meaning fewer recharges and less hassle. But what happens if the battery dies? eufy has thought of that too. The lock has a backup power system using 4 AAA batteries, which can keep basic functions running for up to a month. That means even if you forget to charge it, you won't be locked out of your own home. One of the most frustrating things about smart security devices is false alarms. Too often, motion sensors are triggered by passing cars, small animals, or even moving shadows. The FamiLock S3 Max is equipped with AI-powered dual motion sensors, which cut down false alarms by at least 95%. The sensors can detect movement up to 19 feet away, ensuring that real threats are identified while unnecessary notifications are minimized. It also has a loitering detection feature, which means if someone lingers near your door for too long, you'll get an instant alert. This is a great addition for those who want an extra level of security against potential intruders. A smart lock needs to fit seamlessly into your smart home ecosystem, and the FamiLock S3 Max doesn't disappoint. It supports Matter, Apple HomeKit, Google Home, Alexa, and SmartThings, making it compatible with virtually any smart home platform. Setting it up is straightforward, and once connected, you can lock and unlock your door remotely, check live video feeds, and receive security alerts, all from your phone. If you already have other eufy security products, this lock integrates perfectly with them, giving you a unified security system. The FamiLock S3 Max also includes Wi-Fi 6 technology, ensuring a faster and more secure connection. Unlike older Wi-Fi versions that can sometimes lag or disconnect, Wi-Fi 6 improves response time and reliability, so you're not left waiting for the lock to respond. Another useful feature is smart auto-locking. The built-in door sensor detects when the door is closed and automatically locks it after a set period. That means no more second-guessing whether you locked the door when you left the house. This is especially useful for families with kids or elderly members who might forget to lock up. From a security standpoint, eufy has taken things even further. The lock cylinder is uniquely encrypted, making it much harder for thieves to pick. It's also protected against EMP attacks, meaning it won't be disabled by electromagnetic pulses. The eufy FamiLock S3 Max is more than just a smart lock. It's a full-fledged security system for your front door. With palm vein recognition, a built-in security camera, AI-powered motion sensing, and long-lasting battery life, it's packed with features designed for both convenience and security. If you want an all-in-one security solution that replaces both your traditional lock and a separate video doorbell, this is one of the best options available right now. So, what do you think? Would you trust a smart lock that scans your palm veins? Let us know in the comments below.